Good day, everyone. My name is Denver Jake, the Prosa studying at ISPSC Santa Maria Campus from Ilocos Sur, and I'm taking the course BSIT 1A, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I will discuss about arrays. So, guys, an array is a special variable that can store many values at the same time. Instead of making several separate variables, an array groups values together in one place. Each value in array has a position called an index, and the index always start at 0. Example idea, guys. If you have 5 numbers, instead of making 5 different variables, you can put them all inside one array. So an array is a container that holds multiple values and use access each value using its index numbers. So let's start, guys. Let's open the NetBeans application. Just wait. So where's the mouse? So public class. The first part is the public class array. This means we are creating a class name array our program will run. The next is public static void main string arg. This is the main method and it's the starting point of all Java programs. When the program runs, Java begins executing the code inside this method. So let's start with the integer. So let's put numbers instead, guys. Equals let's use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In numbers, may mali ata guys. Space dun. System out print. Int numbers. So let's put the system out print, the basic term of Java. If you want to make the output, system out print ln numbers 0. So this is the one, guys. Kung gusto nyo palabasin yung 1, Basta gamitin nyo lang tong one. Gusto nyo yung output, just put the system out print ln in numbers. So, gawa tayo ng dalawa guys. Ito lang yung mga basic ng array. Medyo kulang yung one guys. Lagyan natin ng medyo maliit ata guys. Kamali mo. So we are in the second part and we are using string. We are just typing string. And what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters like letters, numbers, symbols, or spaces enclosed in quotes. A string is a data type used in programming to store text. What can a string contain? Letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. So remember guys, string must be inside double quotes. They are used to handle textual data. So we just type. Just type there. We just put string. Ang lalagay natin ay guys ay yung gagawin. So, gagawa ba ako ng assignment? Gagawa. Ay, mali. Gagawa ng assignment. Tapos, maglalaba ako. Limutan ko yung one guys. Magbubulakbol. So, kung nagko-code tayo guys, yung sinabi ko kanina, ang string ay ginagamit sa words, numbers, symbol, and spaces. So, maglalabas na naman tayo, guys. Oh, like, system out, print, ln, gagawin, one. Ito ang example. So, system out, again, system out, print, ln. So, we just put again, gagawin. Lagay natin ay 2. So, try natin i-run. May mali ba? Okay. May kulang. Equals. Yun. Uy. Error na. Yun. Try natin i-run, guys. Sana may matutunan kayo sa aking mga ginagawa. Uy. Error. Aray ko. Ay, yun pala. Huh.